So, welcome to this video. Um, I'm glad you decided to watch this, or maybe you are so bored of life that you don't know what to do anymore. Anyway, thanks for joining me again after a lot of time. Um, there's a lot of stuff happening in the world right now, and that's also the reason for me starting or trying to start making videos again. I figured let's start with an update video of what projects I'm working on and maybe some plans for the future. In one of the latest videos on this channel I started working on this old grinding wheel. Since then it's been laying around and being in my way, so a few weeks back I decided to continue working on it again. Here you can see some of the main parts already cleaned and spray painted. I know that's a bad idea, but at the time I didn't feel like getting proper paint for it. My plan is to finish this up and maybe sell it or just keep it around and have something to look at. I like doing experiments, so I did put some of the nasty parts into a container with vinegar to see how it would clean up. At first glance it looks pretty disgusting, but as long as it doesn't smell too bad I'm not worried about that. It just shows that it is actually doing something. If it doesn't work, I still feel like a real chemistry guy now. Another project I have been working on for the past 6 months, I think, is converting my small drill press to a light duty milling machine. I almost finished the X direction of the milling table. I will put some footage of that in the video because I did take it apart again for spray painting. If it ends up working pretty good when it's ready, I might turn it into a CNC mill, but to begin with it will be fully manual. I'm replacing some parts of the drill press itself as well, because I want to make it a bit more sturdy and also bigger bearings and give it a taper with a proper drawbar. Recently I've bought a car as well, a proper 4x4, because I really love those cars. But more on that in future videos. Anyway, I hope you liked this video and hopefully I will see you again in the next one. Stay safe.
We about to turn it up.